morning. Okay, so I wanted to show you what I'm up to this week. I've done a good little bit of work on this, but this week we had our driveway redone, so I didn't get as much work as I wanted. I did start getting some grasses in the middle of the diorama. And I'm really happy with those. And I got this corner. You know, I didn't really have any grasses over here. I had the cactus, but not any other grass. Now this grass is not done. I've got some more here, and I've got to trim this. You know, it's put in, but I haven't gone back and trimmed all of it yet. So I've got more work to do there. But you know, typically I do a long form video of what I've been working on. But because I didn't think I really got any significant work done on this week, I'm not going to do my Saturday video on this. Instead, I'm doing it on this. So this is a little model that I built in March for the 48 and 48. It was a charity deal where in 48 hours you take a 48 scale model and you build it for Models for Heroes. Now, Models for Heroes is a great, I'm sorry, I'm holding the phone all funky. Models for Heroes is a fantastic organization, and what they do is they provide models and model supplies and even a venue for people building models, veterans, emergency personnel, first responders, that kind of thing. So Models for Heroes, it's a UK group, and it's just a wonderful thing. So I've done a bunch of these. This one was 48 hours. And you had to build this, and then during that time, they had auctions online and stuff like that. It was a lot of fun. So what is this? This is a P-40. It's a Flying Tiger. So it's got this desert camo, and of course it's got the Flying Tiger's shark mouth on there and stuff like that. And I don't build a lot of planes, but I love this one. And so I built it. And then the other thing was you were supposed to put it on a stand. Well, I mean, you could do anything in 48 scale, not a plane. You could do a tank or a car or whatever, but it should have a little display. So in the display, I tried to do like a vision of China, like the Chinese mainland at, I don't know, is that 20,000 feet or something? I mean, if you think you're looking down from the plane, is that 20,000 feet? That's kind of what I'm thinking. I don't know. And frankly, I don't even know the ceiling for a P-40. You know, it might not be able to fly that high, but we're just going to keep it that way. So this is a little diorama, or it's not really a diorama, it's just a display, but it's supposed to be, mainland China. And, the Flying Tigers were defending and working with China. That's Chinese emblems on it, and that's something I didn't actually understand. I didn't know that the Flying Tigers were actually made part of the Chinese Air Force, and they were. That's what that symbol is. I thought we were kind of like just a separate unit, over there working with the Chinese government, against the Japanese during, I think it was like 1940 through 42, I think is when they flew. So, yeah, it was a really, really fun little build. I learned a heck of a lot about it. And so that is what our video is going to be about this week. So I'm going to do a little bit of history. I did some more reading up on it this week, and I'm trying to add that to the video. And yeah, I think it'll be a lot of fun. And frankly, this is a really fun build. Please don't think that I am a aircraft builder. I most certainly am not. My painting on this, I think, is just terrible. But I did have a fun time, and I'm just going to stand on my diorama work. Well, I don't know. I'm not that great of a aircraft painter. I'd like to be, but I got to do it more. So anyway, that is what is going on in the shop this week. I'm working on the video for that now. I sure did do some work on this, and so that's gonna, go into next week video, I'm sure. But I've got other things that I want to put on this, and I think it'll be significant enough to show a nice video on it. So that is what I'm going to do. So I hope you are well. Today I am continuing to edit this video from, it was back in March when we did it. So I'm going to edit that video for the Saturday. And then this weekend, I will dive back into this. So I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm going to get back to work and we'll see ya.